Hello, wealthy, successful, money making traders. This is your trader's friend. Thank you for joining me for another video. Guys, I'm so glad you can be here with me. And I want to discuss this trade that I have going on right now. It's the USD JPY on the 1 minute time frame. And I have been taking this trade this morning. I've actually taken this about 5 times. And I've only been successful in this trade 3 out of the 5 times. So this is, which means now for the month, that will give me a total of 5 losses, 5 out of about 28 trades or 29. Because I did trade the Euro USD this morning as well, and I'm currently in that trade as well. But this morning, I'll show you where I found my scalping advantages this morning. This morning, I noted this candle because of the size, and I was looking for opportunities to short around this resistance area. This was the first opportunity, and you can see it made for a pretty good scalp. Even though this has been a long market, I've only been long on this pair 2 times this morning. So we got back up here again around the same area, got the opportunity for a much better short. Now, I did not go long on this pair until right here. Once I got this really giant candle to the downside with no supporting candle, then I took this to the long side and stopped myself out before we got back to my entry point. Now, I've gotten back in long here because I was noting that we were making a lower high. So I'm ready to go short. And this is how I ended up getting in trouble. So here we have a lower high and price has been rejected off of this mini trend line I made. I am good to go. I am ready for some money. We get down in 2 positions. That's how I ended up with 2 stops. We get down in 2 positions with a little bit of money. Pretty soon we're there and we are completely stopped out. So as you can see, I turned around and I bought because we're already headed in a bullish manner. This is the 10 period SMA. And right now, this is where we are currently. So I'm pretty close to the 10 pips that I'm looking for, which will give me out of this pair about 20. Actually, to be honest, I'm looking for a little bit more than 20 pips. But right now, we are at 10 pips each on this pair. And just looking for just a little bit more. And then I'll probably get back in later after a good retracement. But I want to remind you to keep those losses tight because I have already stopped myself out of 2 losses and now I have all of that paper back, plus I'm in profit. I want to remind you that you can absolutely do this. You can be successful at Forex. Have an amazing pip filled trading day.